my people, this is a few weeks after, and today we're still here with the xc90. We're gonna finish removing the cover because, as I told you guys in the previous video, this broke. The cover, the timing cover broke. Please don't let me get into explaining how did it break, but guys, it was a journey. Anyway, we're going to sort this all out. We're going to take everything off. I already taken off the pulley down here. The next thing is, guys, right here there's a metal pipe. They said it should have just eased up out of the way, but for some reason it did not ease up out of the way when I started to remove the cover. I disconnected on the lower part because it's for the, I think it's for the radiator. That pipe right there, I thought it was plastic before, but it's actually metal. But it's not easing up out of the way like when you go there to pull the cover. So because it's supposed to pop out of the back of the inner timing cover because it's connected. I will be showing you guys in the other video how that is. So it's connected in the back of the inner timing cover. So you have to like shake it after you disconnected the front part. You take your time and you shake it, try to tug it out of the back, because I was trying it and it did not move for me, but hopefully yours will be better. I had to get special tools over here. I had to purchase these online recently just to take off the pulley, because this is a special thing right here that goes inside the pulley. Then you put a T, I think it's a T50, one of these, in through here, and then when it goes in, this is, you're gonna turn this part right here as well by holding here with something like this. I mean, right here on the edge. Then put the T50 through, and then it's gonna also connect to another bolt which is holding the pulley on to the car. So guys, I had to order more tools. I don't have the tools to do this job. This is not parts. Okay, so a little over $100 just to set the time in.
No packaging that has to.
Nah, I mean, it's in the case, but I guess because it's metal, it be looking, but it be looking like people be working with it before. But here's the thing, I got the parts. These are the line on the cover, put on back the cover. These are very important stuff. This is it. This is for the cams, the camshaft, to line them up properly. You guys are gonna see it when I'm putting everything back together. So I could not show me taking everything apart because it was a freaking headache. So I'll do a video with me showing you guys how to put everything back together. All right, stay tuned. Let me get some light for you. So guys, we're down here by where the timing chain goes. I had to clean up right here to clean up the space. I'm just waiting on the parts. There was a lot of oil right here. I have to get the degreaser and just clean up the old area. You couldn't even see on top of this box right here. Couldn't even see the Volvo writing. Even back there where you see that right there, you couldn't see nothing. It was all black. So eventually I would have to do a timing chain service anyway, even if this did not happen. You know what I mean? So I thank God, you know, for that not happening. So from here on out, we're waiting on the parts to come. I put in the order last night, so they should be here. Let me see. Let me look on this other phone real quick. They should be here. I would say probably next Friday or so, because I don't normally order from eBay, but You know, it was the best source at the time. I was gonna go to the junkyard to try to retrieve, you know, the top cover for it and the side cover, but I don't feel like doing all of that. Yeah, you know what I mean? So this is what we have here, guys. This is bad. This is a tool that I use to take off the cams. Well, I told you guys already, but I have to let you guys know. Same way. And this is the inner cover. This part broke. The part that broke. This is the tensioner for the timing chain. The chain would go here. And so this broke. You know, all of that just broke. This is not for this part. I don't think so. No. And this part is for this part. Oh no. No. Oh, that's the part over here. I think it's this part that broke off. So this is all the parts that I'm waiting for the engine and that part. So yeah, broke up the damn engine. I have to replace all those parts, you know. And yeah, that's right there. I have to use that again. Yeah, so I covered this up so no dust or anything can, you know. I don't wanna. I'm serious when it comes to this. And guys, I also cleaned up this a little. I couldn't use anything rough. You know, you can't use no sand or anything like that on the head. You might as well change the whole damn engine if you're gonna do that, because you're gonna make all these parts uneven, stuff like that. So yeah, that's that. That is that. But stay tuned, guys, for the rest of the video. So my people, I just received these this morning. This is the gasket for the inner part on the engine right here. It's right at this part right here, and it goes right up to here where the cover, so it shears it with the cover, the inner timing cover as well. We have this gasket. We're gonna keep waiting on the other set of parts, and then we go from there. But we're off to a good start. So we're getting in all the parts to put back together, because thank God we're doing this. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys, we received another package. Okay, we don't know what's in this one yet, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna figure it out right now. Okay, thank God. So guys, this is the inner cover. So we have received the inner cover. So now I'm gonna definitely have to put the tensioner here. Okay, the tensioner goes here. So it didn't come with a tensioner, but it has every other small parts on it, which is this, you know, this part here and this part here. So yes, guys, we are able to do our thing now. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be doing it in order because this came, so I need to get back this. Guys, try not to bend this. I mean, it's pretty solid, but obviously it still can be damaged, so you want to be careful. So me personally, I'm going to like put a few bolts in these parts just so that it can line it up when I put it on. So you don't have this sliding all over the place. And I was just looking at this a while ago to see if it has any markings on there, like which side says it's supposed to go to the engine, or you know what I mean. But both sides look like they are designed the same way. But at the end of the day is, for example, you're putting it on like this, it won't work. You know what I mean? So it only works one way. So you don't have to worry about, should I turn it this way? Should I turn it that way? Or this? It only can go one way. So you cannot mess up by doing this. You know what I mean? Or doing this, because it only works one way. See? Only works one way. So once you put it on like that, you're all set. You can put a bolt to the other side or whatever to get it lined up and ready for you to put it in place. I'm waiting on my rubber O-rings. Yeah, my rubber O-rings that it goes in these parts. I'm gonna show you guys. I found one, guys. So I'm waiting on these. I've ordered a pack of these because some goes in here and here, you know, so I need to have these brand new before I set everything else up. Yeah, so we're just waiting on those. Stay tuned, guys. Said, guys, I'm not putting back this on the car yet because I'm waiting for those O-rings to go in these parts so that, you know, everything can be sealed properly. Gotta make sure. But this deals with oil, so I don't really want no moisture in there, no water, not that. I just did all of that just to clean it up, even though I still didn't have to. Still didn't have to do none of that. It's grease. No one is seeing that. When it's in your engine, no one is seeing it, but just who I am. Especially because these parts were already used, you know what I mean? I think that it's a sense of knowing that, okay, they're all fine. I mean, washing it and seeing it shine and glisten again is, you know, if I had planned earlier, you know, even this would be entirely refurbished, like it would look brand new again. You know what I mean? So definitely, this is just because I feel like doing it, not because I have to. This is not something you have to do. Once you get the part, you can just reinstall it on your car. But I just wanted to clean it up a little better. Just had grease on it, all type of stuff. So yeah, this is ready, guys. This is ready. That is ready. So we have the gasket for that. Put the gaskets, and now we're waiting on the rubber seals, the O-rings, to put on that. So let's go. Stay tuned, my guys.